Hello fellow friendos, I'm the Friendly TL. I have a short tutorial for you today on setting up an environment where you can compile some Rust code to WebAssembly, integrate it with TypeScript, and bundle it all together with Vite. Before we start, ensure that you have Node.js, NPM, and Rust installed. I have these versions installed. First, we need to install WasmPack. This tool is responsible for compiling our Rust code into the WebAssembly binary. So we say cargo install wasm-pack. Next, we use wasm-pack to initialize a new project. So we say wasm-pack new vite-rust-wasm. Let's open the project in VS Code. So cd vite rust wasm code.enter. If we expand the source folder, we can see this lib.rs file, which is the entry point to our WebAssembly. When we build the WebAssembly, wasm-pack will look for this file. Inside this file, we see that we are provided with a greet function. Let's modify it to do some string formatting instead of this alerting. So we'll have the function take name as an argument, and that's a borrowed string reference. Then we'll return the formatted string hello from Rust, the name. Let's compile the project. So we say wasm-pack build. The output of our build is this pkg folder. Okay, now let's install Vite. So we say npm init vite dot. Vite is usually expecting the directory to be empty, but in this case, we already have a wasm-pack project configured. To get Vite to produce its files anyway, let's select option 3 to ignore files and continue. Here, we can now select which framework we want to use. Let's use Svelte with TypeScript. Okay, now that we're done scaffolding, let's do what Vite says to do. npm install npm run dev. And if we follow this link, there's our app. Let's put VS Code in the browser side by side. Okay, let's open up app.svelte and remove all of this noise. Next, let's import our greet WebAssembly function from JavaScript. So we'll say import greet from /pkg/vite_rust_wasm. Save. Okay, so we have an error, but it helpfully suggests that we use Vite plugin wasm. So here's the documentation page for that plugin. And here we can see that it's also suggesting that we install Vite plugin wasm along with Vite plugin top level await. So let's stop the server and install those dependencies. Next, let's add the plugins to our list of plugins in vite.config.ts. Finally, we can run our dev server again. And as we can see, it's working with our import. Great. Now let's call our greet function once again from inside of this template. Save. And there's our message from Rust. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. Thumbs if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you in the next one.